Hey guys, welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a quick tutorial of how to play Valorant on your MacBook Air. So as we all know, Valorant doesn't work on MacBook. So because it isn't officially supported, but you can still make it work with the right setup. So listen carefully. So since Valorant requires Windows and Riot's Vanguard anti-cheat, the most reliable method is installing Windows via Boot Camp. So on Intel-based MacBook Air models, this allow Valorant to run natively with better performance. So yes, you just want to have an extension that has a Intel. So for Apple Silicon Macs like M1, 2, and 3, Boot Camp isn't available. So your best option is using virtualization software like Parallel Desktop with Windows 11 RAM. Though compatibility and performance may vary and Vanguard updates can affect playability. Once Windows is installed, download the Riot client and install Valorant, update drivers, and lower in-game graphics setting to ensure smooth gameplay or lightweight hardware. While it takes a few extra steps, MacBook Air users can still experience Valorant with acceptable performance if set it up correctly.